Hi Matt, how are you? I'm glad to announce that Lonsdor will offer the new product, Honda Key. We will offer over 20 different kinds of Honda Keys with a different function. Besides me is a 2020 US-made Honda Civic. We will use this car to check all the functions with our Honda Key. Now we have inside the car. Firstly, we need to make the generation for the Honda Key. We will choose the Generate Smart Key. Choose Honda Civic. The original key is the ID 47, 433.66 and 434.80. We will choose this one and make the generation. The generation is successful. Now we will need to program the key to this car. We will choose Honda. Select from the vehicle and choose the Asia. We will try Oculus. We will only leave the one key inside to program to the car. Because it's Oculus, we cannot make the car start. We will choose cancel. We will program two keys to this car. We will take all keys away from the car and put the key to be programmed inside the car. Now the current smart key has been programmed to this car. We will switch to another key. Now the current key count is 2. We have programmed both keys inside to the car. We will turn the image off. Okay, now we will try our key. Lock, unlock. The second key. Lock, unlock. Start the car. Will work very well. I will use our Lonsdor key to try the remote start. Working very well. This is our Lonsdor key. This is the original key. Now I will use the Lonsdor key to try the penny. Okay, it's working very well. All functions working very well. Thank you guys for watching.